Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, wherever you're watching me from. Today, I'm gonna be making this rich Nigerian one pot stew. Come along with me, let me show you how I make this. So, here I have my pepper, and the peppers I'm using are tomatoes, red bell pepper, jalapeno, some onion, and a few scotch bonnets. So I just diced it so that it will be easy for me to blend it. And now I have my blender, so I'm just gonna put them inside the blender and then I'll go ahead and blend. And please guys, remember to like my video, share my videos with others, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please drop a comment for me. Thank you very much. Now we have our blended pepper, and other ingredients are fried meat. I have my boiled eggs ready. Also I have a fried cow skin and some stock waters that I got from boiling my meat. I'm also using mackerel fish and then whiting fish. So let's start cooking. I have my oil in the pot and I'll be pouring in my blended pepper. So I'll go ahead and close the pot just for the pepper to simmer for a few minutes. Yeah, after a while you notice the pepper start boiling, and then I'm going to put some garlic paste inside, and then I'll introduce my eggs. And then allow the eggs to boil along with the blended pepper. So I'll just go ahead and close it back and then we'll check it back later on. So after a while we'll notice that the pepper has started boiling so much. Now I would open it and then I'll put my spices. I'm adding the ginger powder first. Now I'm putting my crayfish powder. Also I'm going to add salt to taste and some seasoning powder. Also I'm adding turmeric powder, and then I'll stir together. Guys, I can assure you, if you follow this recipe, you will have the most delicious Nigerian one pot stew. The outcome is very nice. So now I cover it up, and after a few minutes I'm going to open it, and then I will be adding my stock water. Like I said before, I got the stock water from boiling my meat. I have a video on that coming up. I'll suggest you go ahead and watch it. I'm just going to stir it together to allow the flavor to go round and then have a taste. Wow, this is nice. Lovely, 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 lovely. The taste is good. So now we're just going to allow it to boil for a little bit. Yeah, after a while I'm opening the pot, and as you can see, the stew is coming together. The aroma is coming out right now. And now I will go ahead and add my fish. I'm starting with the whiting fish because it takes a while to boil it, so I'm starting with that. And if you have used this fish before, you will notice that there is this particular flavor that it releases into the stew, especially the whiting and the mackerel fish, and that is why I opted for them. I will also advise that you go for this type of fish. So now I'm just going to stir it into the stew, and then now I will be adding my mackerel fish. This fish is also known as Titus in Nigeria, so don't get confused when I say mackerel is also the same thing as Titus fish. I'm just going to be careful while stirring it because I don't want the fish to scatter inside the stew. So as you can see, our stew has come together. I'm just gonna cover for a few minutes. Yeah, so now I will open it up, and the stew is looking amazing right now. I'm just going to add my fried cow skin, and then I will add my meat after this, and we'll just keep stirring it little bit. Just be careful while you stir so you don't scatter the whole fish inside. Yeah, so now as you can see, I'm adding my fried meat, and that will be the last ingredients we'll be adding inside this pot. Guys, if you've watched my video to this point, please remember to like, drop a comment for me, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share. Thank you so much. So I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes for the whole ingredients to come together, and now we have it. Our stew is done. The flavor coming out is lovely, and the taste is wow. It's so nice, so delicious. I would advise, please go ahead and make this. You will like it so much. So now we have our rich one-pot Nigerian stew. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please don't forget, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment for me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.